Grab a clean glass jar, make sure it's heat resistant. Now, take a piece of galvanized wire and bend both ends into a hook shape, just like you see on the screen. Be sure the bends are even and secure, so the wire can rest perfectly on the rim of the jar without slipping. Once you've confirmed it fits well, grab a small piece of cotton wool and shape it gently into a cone using your fingers. This will act as the wick. Place the cotton cone right in the middle of the bent wire, allowing the hooks to hold it tightly like a clamp. Make sure it hangs straight down into the center of the glass jar for balance. Now, slowly pour regular cooking oil into the jar until it's a little over the cotton at the button. Check that the tip of the cotton wool is touching the oil so it can soak up the liquid properly. Now light the top of the cotton. You've just made a long-lasting oil candle that burns steadily, giving off a cozy glow, perfect for emergencies, power outages, or creating a warm, calm atmosphere at home.